Hello everyone, today I will discuss the IR transmitter circuit which uses two cascaded 555 timers. You all know about this IC. It is a very general IC used for frequency generation of time periods, of various time periods. So 555 timer is used to generate an IR subcarrier which is having a frequency of 38 kilohertz. The first timer, as you can see, it is used for the modulating signal or to generate a modulating signal of few hertz, say 10 hertz, 100 hertz, 50 hertz, etc. And the second timer is used to generate the carrier signal, that is a 38 kilohertz. So this modulating signal actually modulates this carrier signal. So all you know that how an 555 timer can work as an astable multivibrator. So the first timer is actually generating a square pulse of 10 or 12 or 50 or 100 hertz, a very few hertz, and the second one is generating 38 kilohertz of square pulse. So the thing is that you know that this is the output, that the pin number 3 is output, and it is actually giving in actually feeding to the second timer in its reset. So as you know that when there is an on pulse, it is actually not resetting because the 555 timer actually resets when the pin 4 or the RST pin gets low. So when there is an on pulse from the first timer, so this pin 4 is actually not resetting, but it allows to produce a 38 kilohertz, and when the pin 3 is in its low stage, again it is feeding to the reset, and when the second timer RST pin is getting a low pulse from the third output of the first timer, it's actually getting reset, so it is giving a 0 or the pulse of 0. So there is no output of 38 kilohertz. So you will see that the waveform will be like that in the CRO or the DSO, cathode ray oscilloscope, or the digital storage oscilloscope. So the pulse will be like this. As you can see, this is a modulated signal. So you can see that this is the modulating, or this is the carrier signal. This is the carrier signal, and this is the modulating square pulse. So this modulating square pulse is actually modulating this carrier of 38 kilohertz. So this is an on-off key or amplitude shift keying. So this is a circuit, as you can see. But what I want to say, that please don't copy the resistors values where I am actually giving the circles. This resistor value, this resistor value, this resistor value, this resistor value, and the capacitor's value, this capacitor value, and this capacitor value. These 4 resistors value and capacitors value which actually determines the timing or the frequency, the time period or the frequency of the square wave, because actually the resistors are given arbitrarily, but you can use this timer, for the modulating signal, for the 10 hertz or 100 hertz, whatever you will need, and you can use this one for the purpose of 38 kilohertz carrier. So as I think that you all know about the design of astable multivibrator using 555 timer. So design the values of this resistance, RA and RB, C, and the values of this resistance RA, RB, and C for both 38 kilohertz, and the modulating signal of 10 hertz or 100 hertz. Thank you. I think you can make it.